Hey gang, Kevin here, Factotum Jack Home Repairs, and what we've got for you is we've gone over lighting and a bunch of other stuff today, and I wanted to go over how we mounted in one of those outlets, the double duplex outlets. So if you guys remember, we made one of these, and so what I wanted to show you was we have a line coming in through our EMT conduit, and we have all of our grounds. We have a ground tail right in there, and it comes out, and then what it did, and then we tied it together to our two different grounds going to each outlet, and then the same for the neutral, and the same for the hot. And then all you do is, I like to tuck my grounds in first, then I like to tie in my neutrals, and then I weave in my hots, and then you push the outlet shut, and there's two screws right here, boom, boom, right on your 4x4 box, and you put those screws into your subsequent, the holes. So, and that's all it is. And I'll snap a photo, and that'll probably be the thumbnail for the video. I know there's a big argument between people that put outlets in, and some guys say code is to put the ground down, other guys say no, it's not. It's always up. And I've always just been taught to put them down. So that's my little, that's how I do it. I know the guys that argue with me, and I know there's not really, I haven't actually, so maybe in the comments below, you let us know who the winner of that argument is, or fight amongst yourselves. So catch you guys on the next one.